I have not told you the textbook also will be basically referring to Ullman. I'm not able to remember all the authors right now. I'll let you know. I'll let you know the book in the next class. Okay. I'll give you a few books, but please remember we will not be following the books the way we did in digital logic, for example, not going chapter by chapter. We will be covering the content. Okay. Shubhrajit sir also, he'll be covering the content. You might have to refer to other books also. And we will be giving you lots of assignments which you must do, because remember, TOC is a very mathematical subject. It's just like mathematics. Okay, if you practice, you'll be able to get the answer in a short time. So you need to work on problems. What I usually suggest is that you pick up any TOC book which you can find, follow the conventions which we discuss in class, but the exercises you can always solve from any book which you find. Okay, so there are lots of exercises available on the net also. There are lots of tutorials, etc., available on the net also. Please do try to utilize all the available material. Okay, so and as far as the textbook, there has to be a formal textbook. I cannot remember the names of the authors in order. So I'll give you the name of the textbook in the next class. Okay. And these PPTs also, don't think of them as notes. These are just pointers. Okay. So basically class notes, it would be good if you take down class notes yourself. And these PPTs, I'll make them available once we complete a certain amount, maybe 2 or 3 classes.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.